Hi friends, welcome to Sri Pragna Tutorials. In this session, we are going to see one more new topic, that is progressions. So first, what is the meaning of a progression means? A series of numbers which follow a certain rule is called a number patterns. Number patterns. These number patterns, we call it as a progressions. So a series of numbers which follow a certain rule is called a number pattern. So these number patterns we call it as a progressions. So now you see, for example, 5, 10, 15, 20. So what is the next number of this? What is the next number of this? So the next number of this is nothing but 25, 30, 35 and 40. How we said the next, these numbers means, so these are following a certain rule. What is the rule here? Just by adding 5 to its preceding number, we are getting the next number. For example, for this 5, if you add 5, you will get 10. Again, if you add 5, we are getting 15. Again, if you add 5, we are getting 20. Again, if you add 5 for this 20, we will get the 25. Again, if you add 5 to 25, we will get 30. For 30, again, if you add 5, it becomes 35. 35 again, if you add 5, it becomes 40. So here the rule is adding 5. Addition of 5. So these are all multiples of 5. These will all come in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Another rule is multiples of 5. So one more rule is nothing but difference. Difference is same. So these are all some rules. So now a series of numbers which follow a certain rule is called a number patterns. These number patterns only we call it as a progressions. So we are going to learn in these progressions different types of number patterns. For example, 5, 10, 20, 40, 80. This is one more number series. So here 5 is there, here 10, 20, 40, 80. So by adding 5, we are getting 10. But if we add same 5 to here, we will not get 20. So here the rule is not the addition of 5. What is the rule here? Here the rule is multiplying its preceding number with 2 to get the next number. 5 if you multiply with 2 now, we will get 10. 10 if you multiply with 2, we will get 20. 20 if you multiply with 2, we will get 40. If you multiply 40 with 2, we will get 80. So this is 160. Next number is 160. 160 multiplying by 2, we will get 320. 320 multiplying by 2, 640. Like that, the series will continue. So here the rule is multiplying by 2, or the ratio between the terms is same, that is 10 by 5, that is nothing but 2. 20 by 10, the ratio is also same. 40 by 20, the ratio is same. The ratio of the terms is same. So first we have to understand is a series of numbers which follow a certain rule. Which follow a certain rule is called number patterns, or we call it as a progressions. We call it as a progressions. We are going to learn two patterns. One is arithmetic progression and another one is geometric progressions. For example, see this pattern: 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is the pattern. So here the difference between these two is nothing but 10. The difference between these two is nothing but 10. The difference between these two is nothing but 10. For example, 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. The difference between these two is 100. Here also 100. Here also 100. So next it will also come 100. Next. So this difference is also 50. Difference is 50. Difference is 50. Difference is 50. Difference is 50. If the difference between the terms is same, that pattern is called arithmetic progression. That series is called arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. So simply we call it as a AP series. AP series. In these type of patterns, how we are getting the next number is nothing but simply multiplying with 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are multiplying with some fixed number to get the next number. So here, if you multiply with 3, we are getting 9. If you multiply with 3, we are getting 27. 27 if you multiply with 3, 81. So like that, we are multiplying with 3 in this. If you multiply with 2, we are getting 8. 8 is multiplied by 2, 16. 16 is multiplied with 2, we are getting 32. Such type of patterns are called geometric progressions. If you multiply with a fixed number to get a next number, such type of series is called geometric progression or geometric series. We are going to learn how to solve the problems of AP series and GP series in the upcoming videos.